The components required for this experiment are node MCU board, 4 LEDs, breadboard, connecting wires and connecting cable. Now we need to download the XAMPP application. Go to this link and from here download the latest version for Windows. Now the XAMPP is downloaded. Now double click this and install the application. Here click next. Here also click next. Here click finish. This is the XAMPP control panel. So here we need to start the Apache and the MySQL service. Click the start button. This is for Apache and this is for MySQL. Now the services are started. Now to test whether the XAMPP is installed successfully, click this admin. It will open the test page. Yes, now this means the installation is successfully completed. Now we need to create the database. For that, in a new tab, go to localhost /php myadmin. So this is the database control panel. So here we need to create a new database. Click databases. Here we can give the database name as control_led and click on the create button. Now we need to create the table. So for that, go to this SQL option and this is our query to create the table. So here the table name is LED status and we are creating 5 columns. First one is the ID and the other 4 columns are for the 4 LEDs in the circuit. Now click on this go button. Now the table will be created. Now in the table we need to insert these default values. Now we need to write the program. For that, go to the XAMPP folder. So here, this XAMPP folder will be under our C drive XAMPP. And here we need to copy paste our program in the htdocs folder. Open this htdocs. Here we can create a new folder. So click new folder and I am giving the project name as control_led. Now open that folder. And this is my program. The program is the main dashboard program is in the index.php file. Paste that program in the control LED folder. Now open that index.php file. So here we need to give the server name which is localhost. The username for the database is root and password is blank. And the database name is control LED. And this is our code. Now let's open the project folder. Open a new tab and go to localhost /control_led. This is our dashboard. We can control the LEDs from these buttons. Now we need to write the program for the Node MCU board. This is our program. So here we need to enter the Wi-Fi username and Wi-Fi password, and in the server name we need to enter our local IP and the project folder. Now to get this IP, so we need to go to command prompt and enter IP config and press enter. And we need to enter this IPv4 address. Now we need to upload the program. For that, go to this drop down, select the port, and we are using Node MCU board. So select Node MCU 1.0, then click OK and click this arrow button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the Node MCU board. Now we can check the output.